My marriage grows stronger and more loving every single day. My marriage is built on love, trust, honesty, and loyalty. My spouse is so supportive and helpful and encourages me to follow my dreams. My spouse and I are happier and more in love today than the day we were married. My spouse loves me unconditionally. My spouse loves me unconditionally, and their love helps me to be a better individual. My spouse is a true blessing in my life, and our marriage is a true blessing and a miracle. My marriage is prayerful, powerful, and passionate. My marriage is a joy and a gift from the universe. I am loyal, devoted, and compassionate every single day to my spouse. My spouse is the one of my greatest blessings, and I will treat them with honor, love, and respect. My spouse is capable of becoming the person that God created them to be. We strive for greatness in our marriage and will not settle for anything less. I enjoy falling in love with the same individual over and over again as if for the first time. I have attracted the perfect individual who enjoys my presence, and I accept my spouse wholeheartedly. I am faithful to my spouse, and my spouse is faithful to me. Our marriage is built on rock-solid foundation that will stand the test of time. I love my spouse with all my heart, mind, body, and soul. I look forward to growing old with my spouse by my side. My marriage is free from hurt, anger, and lack. My marriage is full of abundance, love, and compassion. I love that my marriage is becoming deeper, stronger, and more loving every day. My spouse loves and accepts me just as I am. I thrive and enjoy being in a loving, supportive, and happy marriage. I feel safe and secure with my partner. I adore being loved and wanted by my partner. I accept that a warm, loving, committed marriage is mine right now. I love loving and being loved by my partner. I enjoy being loved and treasured by an amazing, kind, generous partner. I accept perfect, divine love right now. I go through life knowing how much I am loved. I always see beauty in my partner. We simply love each other. We are destined to be together. Our relationship is meant to be long-term. I am naturally aware of my spouse's feelings. I am happy with my relationship. We love each other just the way we are. I am confident in our feelings for each other. Our relationship is naturally healthy and happy. I simply want us to be together forever. Our marriage will prosper. I will focus on the positive things in our marriage. I will stop letting things get in the way of my feelings. I will listen when my spouse has something to say. I will work things out with my spouse on a mature adult level. I will focus on spending the rest of my life with my spouse. My partner and I will be together forever. I will always love my spouse. Our marriage will make us happier individuals. I will take care of our relationship. I have a strong relationship with my spouse. We are open and sharing with each other. We understand each other. I pay attention to my spouse's needs. We work things out by calmly communicating. Both of us have a say in making decisions. We sustain a strong, healthy marriage. I'm intent on nurturing our feelings for each other. I am confident in our relationship. Our feelings for each other are very powerful. I trust my spouse with everything. I'm always considerate and compassionate. We are made for each other. I always let my spouse know how I am feeling. I accept my spouse and I love my spouse. Our marriage is powerful and beautiful. We are twin flames. Nothing can get in the way of our relationship. I have powerful feelings for my spouse. There is no one I'd rather spend time with than my spouse. I will listen to my spouse's ideas. I will be patient and understanding. I will enjoy spending time with my spouse. We will set time aside to be together. I will stop letting life get in the way of our love and relationship. Our love will grow over time. We will sustain a happy and healthy relationship. I will see things from my spouse's point of view. Our relationship is becoming stronger each day. I will pay attention to my spouse's needs. I love my spouse. I am willing to do anything for our marriage. I love my spouse more and more each day. I look forward to spending time with my spouse. Our love for each other is strong. I love everything about my spouse. We work out our issues peacefully. My spouse is my best friend. Nothing will or can ruin our marriage. We are passionate for each other. I am grateful for my spouse. I am grateful for my marriage. I am grateful that my marriage is built on love, trust, honesty, and loyalty. I am grateful for the love in my life. I am grateful for an understanding, loving, caring, and sincere spouse. I am grateful that my partner and I are open, honest, loyal, and faithful to each other. I am grateful for a marriage that is filled with love, romance, compassion, passion, and intimacy. I am grateful that my spouse is my best friend. I am grateful for my marriage. I live in gratitude.